Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So in this particular video we'll see how to download and install the Android 10 Beta 5 with the version 438 firmware on any custom ROMs. So let's begin with that. So firstly, let me show you that installed version on my phone is 063. So this is a firmware checker. So this will only check up till 432. If there will be any other firmware, then it will show like 432 plus. As and when this particular firmware checker will be updated, this will show you the latest version as well with the 438 signatures and so on. So now it comes that how to download and install it. So for that I have already created a dedicated article on my official blog. The URL for the same will be provided to you in the description box below so that you can go over afterward. So this is that particular blog. So nothing major has been mentioned, few minor things like this is a firmware update of 57.2 MB which will upgrade your phone from phone to 438 firmware version. And now it comes that how to download it. So this is available using Telegram group. So this is a Telegram link. You just have to tap it here and it will open a Telegram post in Telegram app. If you are not aware about Telegram, then I have also provided you a link for the Telegram app using Google Play Store. You just have to tap it here and it will open Google Play Store. If Telegram app will be installed, then it will show like open and install. Otherwise, you have to install it. So I'm assuming like you have already done this part. So afterward, you just have to tap it here and it will open a dedicated post for the I would say firmware version with the 438. So at my side I've already downloaded, and once it will be downloaded you can tap on these three links or three dots and save to download. So to cut down the time I've already downloaded the file and let me show you that as well. So let me move to download and you will see this one to 438 and so on. So now it comes, the main thing is that there are a few prerequisites before doing this particular part. Firstly is that backup your data just for the safer side. Then charge your phone's battery at least 50% or more, but I always recommend 80%. Even at my side it is 75, so it is recommend I would say satisfactory. Finally, the installation of firmware version 438 using TWRP recovery mode. Just flash the downloaded firmware version, then wipe cache Dalvik, reboot the phone, and finally the firmware version will be installed on your phone. So now we are good to go with the installation process. So for that I'm just going to restart my phone, then into the recovery. It will directly boot me into the TWRP recovery mode and we will continue with the installation or upgradation process of firmware. So finally we have been booted to the TWRP recovery mode. So now what we have to do, we have to tap on this particular install button and afterward we have to select storage. So and in this particular video we'll be going to discuss internal storage perspective. So I'm just going to select internal storage, tap on OK, and we have already downloaded in download folder, so that will be available in download folder. So this is that particular file. Just tap it here and just swipe to confirm flash. It will hardly take 5 to 10 seconds to patch the firmware, and after it will show like updating partition detail done and so on. Now we are good to go with the reboot system, but before that wipe cache Dalvik, and now we just have to tap on reboot system. It will take at least like at most 1 to 2 minutes to finally boot into the login screen or home screen depending upon your custom ROM. So just wait till then and afterward we'll do the verification part as well. So finally we have been booted to the login screen or home screen. Now let me tap on firmware checker to confirm you that we have already installed the latest version, which will show it like 432 plus. As in the beginning I have told you that this firmware checker only check up to 432. If there will be anything higher than that, then it will add plus. So we have successfully, I would say, installed the firmware version 438, which is Android 10 Beta 5 on our Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.